Do you lead a team? Leading teams is a core element of effective leadership. And so in today's episode, we're going to talk about how to successfully lead your team, and we're starting right now. Hey everybody, my name is Gordon and welcome to another episode. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about Clifton Strengths, leading a strengths-based life, and anything else leadership related, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any cool updates. So welcome to episode number 7 of our 9-part series on effective leadership. It's been so much fun going through this, learning and growing together with you all. And as a reminder, this is based on Gallup's research on how to be a better leader. And so don't forget to check the description below for the link to that Gallup research. But not only are we taking that Gallup research, but we're also layering in 20 plus years of leadership experience, the ups, the downs, the highs and the lows of leading schools and organizations. So let's jump right in. But before we get started, share with me in the comments below, what's the biggest challenge you have as you're leading your team? Share that with me in the comments below and let's jump right in. So how do we lead our teams towards success? Well, let's first start with that's difficult to determine and assess because there's all kinds of different ways to measure that, and there's all different types of perspectives based on your organization, based on the leaders, and quite frankly, based on the dynamics of the team, which is where the beauty of all this lays. The team, the individuals within the team, understanding what they do, understanding who they are, understanding their unique gifts and talents, and then layering that on to who you are as a leader and your unique gifts and talents creates the opportunity for success to happen. It's when we actually want to focus on who we lead, what they need, but also what they bring to the table, is when this synergy happens, when this alignment, when this just wonderful opportunity to really get in sync and get in flow, when that actually happens. Clifton Strengths is an opportunity to do that. There's a tool, there's a wonderful tool that's offered through Clifton Strengths and through Gallup's work, and it's the Strengths Team Grid. And so there's going to be more information about that in the description below. But what the Team Grid does is it takes and it maps out all the unique talents, gifts, and strengths that are on your team. And then as leaders, if we want to say, what do we need to do to be better leaders? It's to understand who your team is from a strengths-based perspective. What do they do well? What are their gifts? What are the things that they can execute on, that they can build, that they can influence, that they can strategically think and reflect on? When we start to unpack that, we start to create the conditions and the environment for the team to take off, right? And so these are the things that we need to do to be more effective leaders, to be better leaders, to be more servant-based leaders for the team. Because once we start to unpack who they are and what they can bring to the table, now we have the opportunity for not only the team to be successful, but the team to be exceptional. And that's where we always should be striving. We should always be working towards excellence, helping our team achieve excellence. So really the key here is to understand that knowing who your team is helps you lead more confidently, because now you know how to leverage their expertise to achieve exceptional results for the team and for the organization. It's a part of this core work of effective leadership, leading teams, building up people, creating the necessary environments for high levels of engagement, and for the development of exceptional outcomes. And so if you want to learn more about how to lead a team, you can check out the video here. And remember, if you enjoyed this episode, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. And if you want to find more information on Clifton Strengths and other coaching resources, check the description below. It's always a pleasure to serve this community. We'll see you on the next one. Be well, everyone.